Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my game Devlog. In the last video, um, we were able to work on level manager, um, where we moved a lot of stuff from order system to level manager and added some new features like saving or loading a level. Let's open up our level manager and see what we had done. So I was thinking yesterday after finishing up the video that we actually do not need um, levels like this in our level manager. This will all be managed by our era. So this already has a list of levels, right? Um, and the total number of customers that can that um, will be visiting our restaurant in that particular era. So we will be working on integrating era manager in this video. I think we should get started, but again I wanted to add customer spawn in this video as well. So let's see how much we could achieve today. So let's just remove this for now and see what we get. Okay. I'm not sure if I need to add all of the errors in our level manager. What is happening? Okay, maybe error index equal to 0 and do something like this. Error we do not need. This levels. I go back to orientator. This should change to era. customer data, and currently we can just, because we will have the Egyptian era for a very long time. I'm not sure if I need to add or tackle multiple errors right now. So maybe what we can do is we can just say current era is equal to era like this. Okay, so now we have our errors. And here is initialized level. This is initialized level. Done. Okay, I think this is it for integrating error into our level manager. How about I move on to spawning customers. So this will be a wave system. So let's check where is our level. Total waves, we have a wave array. Yeah. Maybe we need something like a WoW, not a WoW wave, something as like this, a spawn delay. Spawn delays maybe between each customer in current wave, and we need another delay for maybe a wave delay. After every wave there would be a time of maybe 5 seconds or maybe 10 seconds, and the spawn delay would be anywhere between 2 seconds to 5 seconds. So let's just hard code this for a moment. Let's do something like this, and do something like this for each current era, total levels, current level index. How about I just pass this in a variable so that it will be much easier for us to do level type, right? So maybe do something like maybe I'll just do something like this. So we are currently in a wave. So what is a wave? It's a list of customers or an array of customers. Okay. So again, each wave dot customers, one wave customer. We need to on the customer over here. Maybe in our order system, do we have something like spawn customer? In the utility manager, when I click on spawn customer collect, on customer collect, so this we need to pick this logic from here and pass it to level manager. I'm currently thinking if level manager should spawn our customer, or maybe we need another manager that would be handling all the spawning of our customers and handling the waves. But let's keep it a bit simple and just add this all into our level manager. Yeah. Manager will do this. What? Anyways, this. And remove this from here now. We don't actually need anything. Don't need this anymore. We can just remove this. Okay. Complete order collect. We don't need this. In our level manager, we need a reference to our order manager, order system, which we have. Everything, I guess it's good to go. Maybe I need to increase the spawn delay to something like maybe 5 seconds is enough, but 2 seconds is something. Maybe 5 and 10. Customer prefab. So we actually need to pass customer prefab. Maybe instantiate this and do something like this. Current customer get component customer logic. Let me just check. Customer, is this private? Let's add something like this and set customer to wave customer. What this will do is it will just check which customer was in our current wave. Like if I go back to a certain level, like level 1, inside of these waves there are different types of customers, right? Common folk, slave, common folk again. So when we loop through our wave, we need to, and we are actually instantiating our customer, we need to pass different types of customers into our customer logic script, so that we can specify which customer is coming first, right, in our wave. So this is why we are doing this. Okay, whenever we instantiate, customer logic sets itself where is the order system. Okay, what I can do is, if there are multiple orders customers and they're trying to find this, what I can actually do is, it is much better to just tap into our wait a minute, let's remove this from here and set our something like this. Maybe do something like maybe a customer logic and say dot game object, dot get component customer logic, and just do this. What was that? Anyways, this will also work. Like this. Set order system reference to order system. This way we will be finding our order system in our level manager for one time only and just passing the reference to every spawned customer over here. Okay, so are we good to go? Can we test this out? Let's see. I'm sure this will work, but level manager, let's see if we have everything. Our prefab, our bench. Let's hit play. See. Okay, you need a chocolate flavored cone. You also need a chocolate flavored cone. Everyone wants a chocolate flavored cone. Now this is what I wanted to see. Okay, it seems that our wave system is working fine, but I don't want to see, although I want to in the Unity editor I want to spawn if I'm just gonna show you guys something like we can serve currently we can increase the limit, but we can currently serve 3 customers at a time. Okay, they can come up to our stall or the restaurant table, order table, and we can serve 3 customers at one time, and the 4th customer that will come in our restaurant will maybe do something like this. Let's say instead of this won't work. Let's say an image. Okay. Let's say this is also a customer, right? So what I want the logic to work is this is our limit of serving customers, right, at a single time. So the fourth one, when it spawns in, it should kind of peek through like something like this, do something like this, and this will give us a cue that the 4th customer is waiting for us to finish up giving an order to any of these customers. And whenever we have given an order and a customer leaves from the bench, then this customer will, maybe do something like this, arrive from here, I guess, something like this, and to our restaurant in front of our order table. So but I won't be doing anything like some animations or some tweening, but it's just to show you guys that what I have in my mind. What I would do is that I would just spawn in this customer over here and he will wait. He won't have this kind of an indicator, maybe a waiting indicator that tells us that he is waiting for a queue to finish to get free. Anyways, and the spawner system should know this and actually wait for a customer to leave. So how would we know that we are already doing this in our order system? We are actually not adding a customer into our current customers. We are actually adding them in our queue, right? Maybe from here, or I think from, I guess, our or in from our order system, we are adding the current queue. Oh, but where is it? So yeah, can add customer right over here. So if the current queue is greater than 2, add this to our right part. How about we return can spawn more customers, something like this, and return true if all the checks are, all the requirements are met. How about I check something like maybe greater than 0. And just go back to our level manager and do something like this while order system dot can spawn more customers. Something like we should check every maybe 1 second is if true. If cannot spawn customer, then wait for it to finish up, and if it can, then it will go right here. So let's test this out. Oh, sorry, we don't need this. Let's wait maybe for 5 seconds, and we have our first customer. Customer arrived. Okay, so let's wait. Just prepare an order and just wait. So yeah, he is waiting, and let's see if we are spawning anymore. No. I'm terribly sorry, sir. Here you go. Again, we like this. Now he wants to on. How many score? Everyone wants account. Okay, because I haven't actually passed. About I. Four. If chance 40%. Wait, we can just this back to 20% as our tip logic was working. So I guess our spawn system is working as it should, and it is spawning in our customers. Let's prep. So now I like this. He needs a chocolate cup. Everyone wants a cup, bro. No one wants a cone biscuit. So this one wants vanilla. Here you go. Vanilla. Everyone loves vanilla. Maybe today is vanilla day, I guess. I'm not sure. Vanilla, cone, strawberry. Here you go. Chocolate cone. Again, chocolate cone. Strawberry cup. And lastly, chocolate scoop. And we have served all the waves of our customer. Actually, what I want to do is I want something like to do something like I need routine corner routine is equal to this and something like this. If other routine is not equal to null, pop routine so what this will do is after our level time is over, right? Maybe in our hard levels, maybe something a game mode or where we actually need to serve a lot of customers a lot quicker to just amp up the difficulty level. What we can do is we can just, if our level timer gets to 0, even if we have a couple of waves left in couple of customers left in our waves, maybe we have 5 waves and we are the level timer ends in maybe third wave, so we actually don't spawn any more customers. The last customers that are that we can see on our screen, we will serve them and then the game will show us the level complete UI. So so that's what I am aiming for. Um, how about I change level timer to something like a minute. Let's prep before someone. He needs a vanilla cone, video user. He needs a strawberry cone. He needs a vanilla cone. He needs a cup. I'm just checking how quick we can end this level. Cup. Can we end this level before the timer runs out? Again, a cup. Let's wait. So the level is. It has ended, right? It should not. Common for maybe. What was the last? It was slave, right? And we have served. So we will see that in the level complete UI, right? So we have a cone biscuit ready. We need a cup, cone, strawberry. Here you go, sir. And this is perfect. So actually we needed to serve the wave had 9 customers, right? So total of 9 customers. But we actually served 8 customers. Why? Because our level timer ran out. And what it did was it stopped our coroutine and it stopped it from instantiating more customers, spawning more customers. So this is the correct logic, and happy with it. So total tips came in like 7.5. Sad, but anyways, but our total earnings are way too high. 0 failed orders, best. So we have done implementing our customer spawn system, and now what we can do is we can, if we have completed a level, we don't actually need debug controls anymore, right? We have a level timer running. We have completed an order, a level, and now okay, so we can now move on to implementing quest system, but what else can we do? Maybe we can What else we can do? How about we add something like an order holder table, I guess. It will have this. What can be done? Should I move on to quest system? So let's go through quest system real quick. Quests. Now this is a big module. Quest ID, quest name, description. What else? ID, name, description. Type. Maybe you want something like this. Available, completed, received, could we add a failed state to the quests? I don't want people to fail a quest. I mean, they can choose to do different quests in different orders, but we don't actually need to add failed. So this would be, I guess, quest state would be or maybe what about locked? maybe there would be some prerequisite quests that we need to do to unlock certain quests. So I think this would be the right thing to do to go about it. Quest state. We have written quest state over here. I think before starting quest system, we should go back and maybe if we have completed a level, we should then progress to the next level, right? So maybe in our level complete UI, I need to show something like a button that would say progress to next level or next. Just say next, or maybe next level. Something like next level button. And this. By me. Like this is maybe starts me easily managing. Anyways, the next level will just the level manager progress to next level. Level index plus plus and then we can just call this from how about we say reset level. Are we actually spawning anything in initialize level? Yeah, so one check remains. What if we have finished every single wave in the given time and there is some time left? So we don't want our users to wait for the remaining amount of time, the level time, right? We just need to show maybe a delay of a couple of seconds, and then we need to show our level complete screen. So we actually need another root coroutine. Timer routine, and then just where is our level timer? if yeah, I don't like. Um, so where is our, do we have a reference to level manager here? There's no reference to a level manager. After every completed order or every failed order, we can actually check level complete. So check level complete. We need to do this over here as well. And if maybe we need to pass total customers, I guess. Customer served. Greater or equal to how? I'm not sure if would be it will be ever be greater than the total number of spawned customers, but anyways, is equal to total spawned customers, then of routine level routine and just not right. this is not right, and we actually do not. But this will be irrelevant, right? This will be relevant if our level timer becomes 0. Maybe what we can do is just loop through our waves and just find out the something like just I can do a little hack and just take another variable and just say total number of customers in this level and just 3 plus 3 plus 3 9 and just say this, but let's just calculate this. It should be actually need another loop, right? You can just say total customer count plus equal to current error. Just maybe paste this over here from total, something like this. That's pretty much it. So now this is correct. Let's see. Let's grab some user probably everyone wants a strawberry scoop cup. What about you, sir? No. So we still had maybe 9 or 10 seconds remaining, and we were able to complete the level. Successful orders 8. I didn't fail any order, right? Maybe something is missing. Complete order. It is complete. Leaving us 9 times. Why does it say that successful orders 8? Maybe we are, yeah, this was the issue. I think this is it. Oh, Unity crashed. Well done. So maybe Unity wants to tell us that the video should end now. Oh, do you want a copy? Maybe will it corrupt? Please be. Good thing is that I have Git, right? So if everything is, so let's test this again with prep of items, cup, chocolate. User. Cup, everyone wants a chocolate cup. Maybe I need to tweak the randomness a little bit. So not every order, or maybe I should not do anything, right? Strawberry cone. Now this is working perfectly fine. If I click this, what will happen next? So we are not actually resetting the level, right? Or are we in the level manager? No, we haven't done anything as of yet. Progress to next level, and then this would do something like call set level. Maybe stop every single coroutine if if they're not null. Level coroutine is not equal to null. And then there was another routine. On the routine, at level, and when this is clicked, level complete UI. Sorry, hide UI. This was in order system, right? Level complete UI. Contact layer. Was one thing. Okay, yeah. So we need to stop this. Is timer running? We should just turn it off and let's current time. Setting. Yep. So yeah. So this will work. Anyways, let's test it for the final time. Oh, so we actually did progress. Oh, but I don't want. I just want to zero prefs. Start fresh. Start from the level 1. This and this. The cup of vanilla ice cream. Of strawberry ice cream. Vanilla cone. Vanilla cup. Just throw it into our drive. What? I think I should tackle this in the next video. And although we are progressing to the next level, but it is breaking something. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you guys like this, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.